Welcome back, guys, to Automotive Custom Detailing. Today I'm going to talk about a APC or degreaser that I fell in love with, and it's not because that I'm following the love train or whatever, guys. It's just that I've been playing around with it, and it's been amazing nonetheless. And the APC and degreaser that I'm talking about is this guy right here. It's called Extra Tough. I've already made a video about this. It was my very first one, and this APC and degreaser right here is very versatile, and the reason why is because I found it to be more effective on the interior. Now, I diluted this Extra Tough degreaser about 10 to 1, meaning 10 parts cleaner, 1 part water. So basically what I'm saying is I fill it up to this line right here and the rest with water. So it's barely no chemical there, but there's still some. The reason why I love it is because, my God, the clean ability at just 10 to 1 is amazing. Of course, you can get super clean out there, and Walmart's pretty cheap. But this right here has the right bite, the right cleaning ability, even at 10 to 1. So let me go ahead and shut up and let me show you. So I'm gonna go ahead and spray it right here, and then I have a damp microfiber towel that I have right here. I'm gonna go ahead and spray it as well. And I'm going to go ahead and wipe this down just by doing this, and you're going to see a world of difference. So I'm going to go ahead, clean it off, and then what I'm going to do is get a dry microfiber, and I'm going to go ahead and wipe it down clean. And as you can see right there, a world of difference. Let me show you the dirty towel. You can see how much grime and muck came out that one pass. So you can see even at 10 to 1 it is highly effective. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you on fabric 2 on how well it does. Spray some, be generous with it. Then I'm gonna get my detailing brush and I'm gonna agitate it as good as I can. Go into the fibers. If I need to add some more, I'll add some more. It doesn't matter. It's so cheap now that I've diluted it to 10 to 1 that I can use up as much as I can to get the job done. So keep on agitating it to where I feel it's comfortable, and then I'm gonna go ahead, get my microfiber towel that is damp, and I'm gonna wipe it down just like I did the other section. Just got to put some elbow grease to it. And again, I pulled out a lot of grime and muck just by doing that process. So, dry one. Get it down to where I can see no more muck or grime. And I'm going to dry it off like so, and you can see a world of difference before and after. Guys, this APC, this degreaser, I highly recommend it. It's a good company. I'm not getting sponsored by these guys. They don't even pay me yet to even make a profit, so they don't care. I just use this product because it's good. So trust me on this, guys. Extra Tough, diluted 10 to 1. It's a winner in my book. So I highly recommend it if you're a mobile detailer. I highly recommend it if you're just an enthusiast. The other thing I found out is that if you have vinyl from a newer car, they tend to rip a lot easier with these other degreasers or APCs. This right here is gentle enough to not cause damage to the new vinyl. So that's another plus in my book. So check it out, guys. Extra Tough. It's a damn good degreaser APC. So remember, on the next time, go ahead, subscribe, ring that bell, and notify that I'm here, because again, Automotive Custom Detailing community is growing. And I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye bye.